Hey y'all, it's freaking hailing outside. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's hailing. It was a couple minutes ago, but it's hailing again. Just the second time it's hailing in Scranton, Pennsylvania. It was just doing this a few minutes ago. Now it's back. By the way, this is the backyard of my house. You can't really see because the windows is foggy and rained. So this is the backyard. The back of our house is a giant grocery store and a river. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, we have a river. So please comment, like, subscribe, and now subscribe back. Please comment down below saying you subscribed. Now subscribe back. Please and thank you. See you guys later. Peace.